There were prizes underneath the popcorn boxes for people, photo walls, merch for everyone in the cinemas.
Lights, camera, let's have some fun. It's time for Justin Hill plus one.
This is Justin Hill plus one, and you are my plus one today as I unbox my thoughts on Toy Story 5. Let's boot up our tablets and go to infinity and beyond to find out if this tech-fueled showdown is a total masterpiece or if the franchise is finally running out of batteries. Alright, so Toy Story 5 is officially tackling the ultimate villain of modern day childhood, and that is screen time. This time around, Jessie is running the show in Bonnie's room, but the toys hit kind of a massive existential crisis when Bonnie gets a high-tech tablet named LilyPad and basically completely forgets about her old toys. Now, what happens is we get this battle between toys and tech. It's a bit of a showdown where the gang has to figure out how to compete with a very enticing screen device while reminding their kid that real-world imagination is way better than staring at a screen. This week, I was very lucky to go along to the Australian premiere of the film, and it was like a toy box itself. There were prizes underneath the popcorn boxes for people, photo walls, merch for everyone in the cinemas. It was brilliant. But the movie, what did I think? Well, now I know what you're thinking. Is 5 movies too many? In my opinion, no. I feel like the last movie where Woody kind of went off and did his own thing allowed for new stories to be told and kind of like other dynamics to be set up amongst the other toys, and that's exactly what we're getting in this movie. Also, you might think that this film was made for kids, but no, not just them. There are so many jokes for the grown-ups, and I don't mean in a rude kind of way. It's just more stuff that we would get, while the kids enjoy more of that slapstick and silly kind of humor, if that makes any sense. Now, there has been this whole narrative around how the focus of this film is that technology and screens are bad, but what I think they do really well is they find a balance between tech and traditional toys for kids. And by no means are they saying, oh, you've got to throw out your devices, they're terrible for children. Maybe just encourage them to go outside and mix it up a little bit sometimes. I also really love this growth in the love that the toys have for their kids. And in this film, it's really important to the toys that their kids find friends, and it's just a beautiful development, and at times made me feel like maybe I had something in my eye. Would I recommend that you go and see it? Absolutely. I think you'll enjoy it as much as your kids will. It feels new and fresh, yet familiar and comfortable all at the same time. That's it for this episode of Justin Hill Plus One. A big thank you to you for being my plus one today. Make sure you check out Toy Story 5 in cinemas from June 18. If you want a front row seat to the biggest names in the business and all of that red carpet action that you will not see anywhere else, get your permanent VIP pass by subscribing and following so you never miss an episode. Also, drop me a review and let me know in the comments who you think my next plus one should be. And until next time, stay gorgeous and remember, your name is always on the guest list.